It is now time for us to start celebrating some birthdays this fine Friday morning, and we begin with number 1, Sylvie Green, turning number 1 over in Fredonia. Happy birthday, Sylvie.
And we've got Bree Beasley celebrating her 2nd birthday. What a cutie there. She's in Girard.
Party in the bus this morning as Olivia Burns turns 4. Happy birthday.
Little cowgirl there. Love it. And Chrisley Harmon, turning 8 years old this year, with birthday love coming from Mommy, Daddy, Bentley, Nana, and Pop.
We've also got Ellie Stennett turning 9 in Iola. Happy birthday, Ellie.
All right. And Isaiah Adam celebrating birthday number 9 in Pittsburgh with love from the family.
We're also celebrating in Pittsburgh with Shelby Linson, turning 29 today. Happy birthday, Shelby.
All right, keep on smiling. Craig Tuba is 37 years old this year. Nope, it's a wonderful one for you.
Also turning 37 over in Baxter Springs is Julie Killebrew, and this comes with happy birthday wishes from Mom.
And in Erie, Randy Locke celebrating birthday number 68 this year.
Then we've got J.D. Bond turning 69 years old in Humboldt. Happy birthday, J.D.
All right. And it's time to celebrate with Skeeter in Columbus. Mr. Richard Frank is 73 years old this year.
We've also got David Clarke turning 78 in Crestline. And I just noticed, I believe that David is Skeeter. It was a very big note in our list, but it noted that he was pictured with his great-grandson, Jackson. So I believe David is Skeeter. You know what? Skeeter's a good nickname for everybody.
I'm sorry. It was on the wrong line.
Oh, no. Okay. I was just told Richard is Skeeter. We're missing a line. So you have to
super
we have this nice little table here, but there's a line missing. So. We're always confused. David, happy birthday. Everybody's Skeeter today.
Well, no, it makes sense that David is Skeeter because he would be pictured with his grandson, and Richard was not.
Well, but see, we're missing a line in the table.
Mm-hmm. Well, regardless, David, happy birthday. You are 78 in Crestline. We'll get it figured out.
We will. Carolyn McKee is turning 80 in Columbus. Happy birthday, Carolyn.
And Carlisle Flanagan celebrating birthday number 81. That's a pretty name there. In Jasper, Missouri.
Over in Liberal, we've got Roger Phillips turning 90 years old. Happy birthday.
Florence Kimray celebrating birthday number 96 in Pittsburgh.
We've got Janie Ruddock celebrating a birthday once again in the bus. Over in Columbus, Janie, happy birthday.
All right. And it's a 5th anniversary this year. That's a cool picture. In the snow.
Literally.
Where we all wish we had a little of that right now, I think. Blaze and Devin Heckert celebrating 5 years together in Pittsburgh.
We've got Cleo Warden. Check this out. Cleo Warden is celebrating 104 years young in Carthage. Happy birthday, Cleo.
All right. And in Chautauqua, Gage Kirkwood turning 17 years old this year. Stanley Robinson, a resident at Medical Lodges in Columbus. Happy birthday to you. And our neighbor in Crestline, Jim Ganaway. Happy birthday.
And we've got Betty Davis turning 90 in Wyandotte. This comes with love from the family. And Amanda Steve celebrating in Parsons.
All right, if you have a